Hi everyone. Today we're gonna use Claude Code and run a test or a benchmark with and without the plan mode. As you can see here on my left, I have the plan mode activated, and basically all you need to do is shift and tap twice to activate the plan mode. And on the right, I have another Claude Code instance without the plan mode. So it's a very normal opening. And the prompt is very specific around the book I'm working on right now, which is taking the role of a book editor and a best-selling book expert to review the structure that I have right now and propose any set of improvement that would make the book more approachable and more optimized towards a professional audience. And we're using the same prompt. So the goal here is to run this test both with the plan mode on and without the plan mode, and you will see the difference between both sides. So let's start with the plan mode first, run it at the same time, and then launch without the plan mode. And we're gonna, of course, here give it the allocation. Good. And you can see here already, starting with the to-do list. Whereas here, let me examine the structure. Let's go back here and give them the permission. So the difference here is on the right, it started with a detailed to-do list, reading and analyzing the main book structure, reviewing chapter content, identifying key themes, creating the detailed optimization plan, assess the writing style, and evaluating practical application and case studies. Make sense? The only difference here is that in the thinking mode, I'll analyze your book project to provide a comprehensive optimization plan. And as you can see here, it was much faster to provide actually the plan itself. So one is the current state analysis, what's working and what are the gaps that they identified. So the strength, comprehensive coverage, strong theoretical foundation, detailed practical application, cross-model integration, etc. And then critical gaps, lacks executive summary, missing industry-specific application, insufficient ROI and business impact, no measurement frameworks, and limited actionable frameworks for immediate implementation. That's fair. Now, how to address these ones? They suggesting an optimization strategy with a phased approach, which I like a lot. Structural reorganization first for the foundation, then professional content enhancement in terms of industry-specific application, business impact quantifications. Phase three, practical implementation tools in terms of like a toolbox like leadership maturity assessment, organization readiness diagnosis, which are quite good. Implementation resources, things that I haven't actually thought of. Professional polish and credibility in terms of forward, including endorsements, which might be a bit too early, but it's still a valid point, and specific deliverables, new sections to add, the exec summary, leadership assessment framework, implementation playbook, and the content transformation from an academic examples to business scenarios. Makes sense? And then the success metrics, we have a set of these ones. So this is the plan proposed when the plan mode is active. Now let's see what the no plan mode, let's say the raw mode provided. Um, Professional optimization plan with an executive summary, current strength, comprehensive mental model coverage, innovative application hub, awareness of the limitation, and then directly the recommendation in terms of strengthening the executive positioning, powerful opening chapter, develop an executive quick reference, add the CEO playbook, case study quality, improve structural flow, optimize professional consumption, strengthen evidence base, enhance application architecture, and modernize professional context and supporting ecosystem. And it also provides a phased approach. And the difference here is they're providing a timeline, even though it's in a month. We have the success metrics in terms of adoption, impact, and engagement, plus some conclusion. So you can see this one feels a little bit more generic and abstract. Whereas this plan is really nailing down the context and aligning it with the recommended approach, which means that in this case, it's usually very helpful before you start any project or any coding mission, etc. Activate the plan mode and think through with Claude Code on what would be the best approach by giving it a specific role and persona, and then using it more as a thought partner or as a sparring partner to really refine and adjust the approach that you see basically the most fit for your goal. Hope this helpful, and to the next video soon. Bye.